My name is Danny. We moved down here from the Northeast 5 years ago, and we were a little naive about the severity of the flooding down here in Florida. Last year, we got some water in the house with Hurricane Helene. We completed all the repairs, but now we're trying to protect our investments. The storm hit during high tide, which was the worst possible combination. Water kept seeping in, and little by little, it got up to about 28 inches high in the house. We were totally unprepared for it. Why we selected Damn Easy was because of the quality of the components. The aluminum panels were thicker than the competitors, just a heavier gauge aluminum, and all of the hardware components were much more substantial. With the Titan product, it's a modular system, and you could adjust the height to whatever you select. We selected a 40-inch height for protection. I'm pretty confident that as long as the storm doesn't come over the top of the barrier, I'll be protected. It's very simple. It takes, I would say, less than 3 minutes to install the panels. That means carrying from the storage location to the door, and then tighten up all the screws to seal the gaskets. Very quick and easy. Very damn easy.